Hello, my name is Katarina Gonchar. I'm international trainer in Magnetic Nail Academy. Today I will show you fantasy French design with AirNail system by Magnetic. French, very popular design in salon, but let's make it different. For this design, I'm using light green color of gel polish. I already prepared my nail, cured gel polish and buffed surface. Also, I will use dark blue color of AirNails paints. I will need just 2 drops of color. And also I will use stencils from French collection. I am making ombre only on a half of my nail. I am spraying from the side. Done. Now I am removing my stencil and moved it on that part where was designed. And now I will spray from another side. Very interesting, fast, fantasy French design. Of course, you can use it with different colors. It's also very beautiful with white and nude, with neon colors. Depends of your client. To seal this design, I will use extreme matte top coat. And 1.5 minutes in lamp. Okay, let's look on end result. Thank you for your attention and I will see you next time. Bye bye!